Hello everyone, Chandler here. It feels like it's been months since I've done a video. It's really only been a couple weeks, but I went from doing videos a bunch to I slowed down and I just took away all the deadlines for myself. It's just been very different and I really miss it. So I'm still gonna work on this kind of slower schedule and no deadlines. I make a lot of videos and stuff for work, side commissions. My wife and her friend went on a trip and then I edited that video. And I've been spending 4, 5, 6 hours on these videos editing. One of them I've been spending 13 hours, which you'll never see, but it's not very cool. Oh, that's my food. Anyways, I'm gonna make videos when I can make them, and I'm not gonna do as much explaining, which I'm doing right now, but I'm gonna not. So I'm not gonna tell you my whole day, I'm just gonna do it and you're gonna watch it. Speaking of planning and not telling you stuff, I was gonna go to Pearson today, and suddenly, within the course of these past like 2 minutes, it's dark outside and storming and raining. It was literally bright outside when I started filming this little segment. That came out of nowhere. It went from this to this in a matter of seconds. Well, I was gonna handboard for you guys, but I've got a stream running in my house, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Needless to say, I didn't plan for this when I started filming this video, so we'll get back to regular scheduled stuff after this. And just like that, the storm has passed and it's a regular day here in Kansas City. It hit super hard. I didn't know it was gonna happen. I was eating lunch and saw it started raining outside, and then I went downstairs to go handboard and my basement was flooded a couple inches. So I ended up taking out 50 gallons of water out of that room, and thankfully I didn't get much on the carpet. Other than the carpet, I had to take out entirely of that room. I'm just very blessed that I was home during this situation so I could address it as fast as possible. If I was not home, I would have ruined all of my stock wood and some of my tools, which have really sucked. So I checked the radar and there's gonna be no more rain until 8 o'clock tonight, so I've got some time to do other things. I'm not gonna handboard because it's very wet in that room, so I'm just gonna go skateboard. And let's go to the indoor park right now. What are you thinking?
Try just the 5/0 switch grip and nose manual. Okay, probably get that one.
All right.
First try.
Those crazy mani combos you saw were of Shane Benucci. I don't know how to say his last name, but I've been following him on Instagram for about a year now, and he is so crazy. I think he posts every single day. So if you want to see more crazy Day One song type stuff, check out his Instagram. And the few clips that you saw in the giant quarter were of Dylan, and he is a super rad guy. He's also a Christian skater that's sponsored, and he runs his own company called Varsity Shades, which is super sick. So I'll put his personal Instagram right here and his company Instagram right there. Check that out as well. Both of those guys are super rad, super nice, and extremely talented. So do yourself a favor, check them out. I'm headed to work now, and after I work with the youth band for a little bit, I get to build some ramps for the church. They have a VBS Action Sports coming up, and I built some skate ramps for decoration for them. So I get to assemble those, and it should be fun. That's the end of my day. I'm gonna go home and crash. And by crash, I mean edit and probably play video games. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that this video was fun to watch. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching again, and God bless.